B. 5210 Routine Maintenance. Use a 1.5 mm hex screwdriver to remove the screws. Remove the gear seat. Use a 7 mm socket to remove the prop. Remove the set screw. Take out the drive dog. Then remove the spring trace clamp. Disconnect the connector. The gear can then be removed. Next, remove the gear of the main knife seat. Use a 1.5 mm hex screwdriver to loosen the positioning set screw. Then use a 10 mm wrench to remove the gear. After removing all components, thoroughly clean the lubricant from the components. Check the gear for wear. Check the bearing for looseness. After cleaning, apply lubricant again. Then install the thrust bearing. First install the component with the small hole, then install the ball bearings. Note, the side with the flat surface should face outward. Insert the shaft from the back. Install the drive dog back in place. Align the drive dog with the flat surface of the shaft. Tighten the set screw. Check if the rotation is smooth. Next, install the main knife shaft seat. Apply lubricating oil. Install the coupling. Tighten the set screw to the flat surface of the shaft. Check if the rotation is smooth. Next, apply lubricating oil to the main knife. Install the gear seat back in place. Tighten the set screw. Then install gear B. Apply lubricating oil. Tighten the screws. After assembly, test if the rotation is smooth. It should meet the standard of no jamming and no play. Install the main knife seat back. Align with the central axis of the cross coupling and complete the fixing. Tighten the 4 screws and ensure they are firmly in place. Finally, complete the installation and fixing of the propeller. Complete the entire routine maintenance process.